In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for WhatsApp Web. This short and simple process will make accessing WhatsApp Web much quicker and easier, allowing you to stay connected without having to type in the URL every time. This is especially helpful if you use WhatsApp Web frequently and want a more seamless experience. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a handy shortcut right on your desktop. First, open up the Chrome browser on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from Google's official website. Once you've opened Chrome, navigate to WhatsApp Web by typing in the URL in the address bar and hitting enter. This will lead you to the site where you can scan the QR code with your phone to log in, provided your phone app is linked. With WhatsApp Web open, focus your attention towards the top right corner of your browser. Here, you'll notice an icon with 3 vertical dots arranged in a line. This is your menu button, and it contains a variety of options that we need to explore further. Click on this 3-dot icon, and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several useful features that Chrome offers. From the drop-down menu, you might see an option that says Cast, Save and Share, or you might see More Tools depending on your Chrome version. Either of these will get you where you need to be, so don't worry if you see one and not the other. Click on the relevant option, and another sub-menu will unfold. Now, in this sub-menu, there's an option that says Create Shortcut. This feature is incredibly useful. It allows you to turn the web page as it appears in Chrome into a shortcut that you can place on your desktop or taskbar for easy access. Click on Create Shortcut, and a small dialog box will appear, asking if you'd like to open this site as a new window or create a simple shortcut. For the purpose of this task, simply click Create to generate your shortcut. Take a moment here to consider naming your shortcut something easy and intuitive, like WhatsApp Web, to ensure that it's easy to recognize the next time you see it on your desktop. Confirm any prompts that may appear to finalize the shortcut's creation. Congratulations, you've successfully created a shortcut for WhatsApp Web. Now, whenever you want to open WhatsApp Web, just double-click the shortcut on your desktop, and you'll be directed straight to the site without needing to go through the repetitive process of typing in the web address or retracing your steps through the browser. It's a small change that can save you a bit of time and streamline your access to WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new shortcut.